good person.
Yes. What can you tell? They might come back for more.
I just don't want them to bite me.
Look at that one. You can't eat it. Oh, there You're so close.
It's like, where is everybody? I want some more.
They're like, hey, can I have more, please? Oh, he gave up.
Oh.
Oh, here's one. Yep, he got it.
Any more?
I'll dump the last of it.
Okay. Hi, little duckies. Hello.
This could get ugly.
Uh-oh. The turkeys are here. Ah, the turkeys are coming.
Rock, rock. Oh, shoot, the turkey's gonna go for it.
Oh no, there's more. Ah! They're the turkeys and the pretty ducks.
Come on. Come on, you know you want it. You know you want it. Yeah. He's getting close.
That's one ugly turkey. Look at those feathers. Oh, there's another one coming.
These are the ducks.
Oh, he crapped. He crapped on our lawn. That's gross.
Stuck.
Well, the ducks are leaving, but the turkeys are staying.
Great.
Fabulous. There's more turkeys over there.
Oh, jeez.
Now they won't leave.
Yeah, you go away.
Lock out the door. Don't turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. Oh, no, you ain't. You know that.
Oh, look at the big one.
Oh, shut up. You're feeding the ducks. You fed the ducks Cheez-Its.
Okay, I met Mom in the lobby.
Okay.
Your father was going down to buy sunscreen lotion. I said, I've got really good Super Duper 50 SPF sunscreen. She said, is it waterproof? And I said, I don't know, but it is waterproof. So you guys can take this, because you'll need it more than we do today. That is so cool. Send me pictures.
Alright. Actually, I'm taking a movie.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So, I could try to send you the movie. I'm not guaranteeing
Grammy, I'd
anything.
watch out those duck droppings right there.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And the turkey stepped in.
If you've got a couple of you might want to just put it on top. You want to start by putting some of this on it?
I know, put it on my face. I already have stuff all over my face.
But this is 50
Yeah.
SPF.
I love you, duckies. I don't love the turkeys, though.
Yeah, you could probably, if we don't have any Kleenex left, but you could probably just put them down and when you get your shoe on, just scrape it a little bit with it.
I don't think we have any Kleenex left.